Jade plant or elephant bush is a very confusing indoor plant as it looks like many other indoor plants. Many of us are confused between jade plant and other such looking plants. This does not matter much as the care of these plants are almost similar. Apart from jade, it is also called as elephant bush or button plant. In this video, we will be discussing about this cute little and easy to care indoor plant. So watch this video till the end to know more about it. So let's get started. First of all, let's understand that is jade an indoor plant or an outdoor plant? The answer to this question totally depends on the requirements of the plant. Some plants need more sunlight, then some plant needs less sunlight. Some needs less water, some needs more water. So it totally depends on the type and requirement of the plant. As jade is a succulent, it needs a well-lit place to grow where it can receive indirect sunlight the whole day. It should not get direct sunlight or afternoon sunlight. Or you can also keep your plant for 3 to 4 hours in morning and evening sunlight. Too much sunlight can also make the leaves of the plant fall. Have you ever noticed that whenever you see a plant soil dry, you cannot resist watering the plant? Yeah, no one can see the plant standing in dry soil, but trust me, jade plant does not need water at all. If you have a jade plant, pluck out its leaves and you will notice that it has water in its leaves. To improve drainage, add some coco peat in the soil. Don't keep spraying water on the plant every day. Spray water on the plant every alternate day. When you notice that the leaves and the stem of the plant looks dry, that means your plant is underwatered. When the leaves of the plant look droopy, that means it is underwatered. Keep a close eye on watering of the plant. The leaves will droop in both underwatering and overwatering. So you'll have to check how are you watering. Water the plant every 7 to 10 days depending on the temperature. Temperature majorly depends on the growth of the plant. Jade plant prefers 22 to 30 degrees Celsius, means it loves to be in a tropical or a subtropical region. More or less than this temperature can harm the plant. Jade can also be grown as a bonsai. Bonsai are usually grown when the plant has a barky stem. If you have some patience and skills, you can surely try to make a bonsai out of it. If you are observing that your plant is not producing some new healthy leaves and it's not bushy, try to prune the plant and also check on the watering. If you are overwatering your jade plant, its leaves will shed and will not produce new leaves. Take a cutting from your plant as close to the base and then put it in coco peat or river sand. Normal beach sand will not be used in a plant soil as it contains very much salt in it, which is not good for your plant. If you don't have river sand, put the cutting in coco peat with some rooting hormone. Rooting hormone reduces the risk of rotting of the cutting and increases the chances of rooting. You can even grow your jade plant in water, but the success rate is lesser than soil method. I tried the water propagation method, but it did not work out for me. Like any other succulent, jade plant does not need too much fertilizer. Fertilize the plant once in 6 months and before their growing season. If you are doing all the above mentioned things properly and still you see your jade plant's leaves drooping or not healthy, try to uproot the plant and check whether the plant is having root rot or not. If you see the roots of the plant not healthy, repot the plant in a new fresh soil with coco peat and compost and then water the plant with neem oil solution. Dropping of leaves is the most common and the biggest mistake people do here. Dropping of leaves is a sign that your plant is in some sort of stress. There can be a lot of reasons that why your jade plant is in stress. As we all know that jade plant is a kind of succulent, and the most common mistake we do with it is we overwater it. Whenever you see a yellow leaves, remove it, and if you see all the leaves of the plant turning yellow, repot the plant. That's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, do like this video and also share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon to watch more such informative videos. Thank you for watching.